as
No,
guys get this foundation and stuff set up, like where do you see AI going with this
yeah,
in the future here?
absolutely. So, part of what initiated, my creation of Jet.Build was recognizing, first of all, before spending, all of mine and my co-founder, my partner's free time, right, building out a system, we first, of course, went to look to market to see what, existed and what we can leverage immediately to support our efforts. And what happened was, we came across these legacy products, which is pretty typical to any industry, right? A legacy product is going to cost a legacy, cost, right? It's going to a lot of money. So we weren't able to adopt those products. Now, fast forward a bunch, recognizing that if you're implementing a core technology solution, right, a core management solution for your projects, if that solution is going to exceed your budget already or breach your budget as it relates to technology, how are you ever going to innovate, right? How are you ever going to look to niche products like, to also answer your question in terms of, where I see the future, drones for safety or for just general reporting, sensors for reduction in waste for things like concrete, for example, right? AI for things like safety, right? How are you ever going to adopt these additional technologies if your core product is crazy expensive? I mean, you're not, right? Expensive and confusing. So what I right, so what I see is industry needs help with a refresh in its core product, its core value proposition. Simplify the core solution, and I like to make the analogy with a smartphone, right? Imagine your smartphone. Yeah, I actually made a post about this. It was really funny. If you look up the first cell phone, it was, I mean, obviously a huge block of a piece of plastic, right? Crazy expensive, unbelievable cost point. Well, it's what we're seeing now, right? The evolution of that, right? So technology today is less expensive, it's simpler to use, it's more intuitive, and it's intuitive in the sense that we now understand better how people operate, right? So if you establish your core tech stack with an intuitive, cost-effective solution, all of a sudden, not only should you expect more use out of that product, but now you could also expect to adopt additional technology, plug that in, and have a proper tech stack, right? Have a proper layered solution of technology on your construction site.